Hi, I am PixelPia. Today, I'm starting a series about Descript. Last week, you saw a quick little teaser about what you can do in this software. But today, we are going to set up our account and take a first look at the interface itself. So let's move over to my computer. So here we are on Descript's website, descript.com. And let's take a quick look at what you can do with Descript. So you can do video editing, podcasting, screen recording, transcriptions, clip creation, and AI voices. You can even create your own voice as an AI voice. So let's take a look at pricing before we sign up. As you can see, all plans include transcription, editing, screen recording, templates, stock media, and captions. But there are some variations, and these are the prices. They have the free option, the create option. It's $12 per month if you pay annually. Or if you pay monthly, it's $15 per month. And the pro version is $30 per month. If you pay annually, it's $24. So let's see what we get for the money. First, we have the transcription hours. So you get 1 hour per month in the free option, 10 hours per month in the creator option, and 30 hours per month in the pro version. Watermark-free video download or export, you get 1 per month in the free version, unlimited in the other two. Video export resolution. The free version gives you 720p, which is enough in most cases. And both the other alternatives give you 4K. Filler word removal, which is very useful, is to take away the ms and us that you say. You get standard removal in the free and in the creative version. And in the pro version, you get 18 different filler words and repeated words, which it can automatically remove. Then we come to overdub. That's where you can create your own AI voice. When you create your own AI voice in the script, you get 1,000-word vocabulary for the free and creative versions and unlimited in the pro version. AI green screen is where you can take away the background of your video and replace it with something else or have nothing there. You get up to 10-minute file in the free version, up to 60 minutes in the creative version, and unlimited in the pro version. Then we come to Studio Sound. That is something really special. It takes away background noise. They set the levels to a good level and really improves your sound. For the free version, you get up to a 10-minute file, up to 60 minutes in the creative version, and unlimited in the pro version. And the last thing here is stock library. For the free version, it will show you the first 5 results per search. For the creator model, it will show you 12 results. And in the pro version, it will show you unlimited number of results. Let's get back to the first page and get started for free. So now let's click the get started for free, and we will be able to set up our new free account. As you see here, you can choose to sign in with Google, or you can create with your email account. We're going to use email today. So when I have filled in my email and created the password, they need my first and last name. And then we click the little forward arrow down bottom. So this is the screen that meets us when we open our Descript. Click sign in to Descript and it opens the website automatically. And here we have the address and the account I set up with. So we just click the forward since it said sign in and it reopens our Descript. As you can see, we got a couple of questions when we first log in, which best describe your use of Descript. For me, it's creator. Create a drive. This is the space where your projects are stored. I let the name still be PS Drive, and you can add people to your drive if you want to. But right now we do just me. I can always go in and change that later on. And if I wanted to invite people, I do that. Then they ask you, what will you make with Descript? And for me, it is mostly videos. And they ask us to personalize how we want to start. What's the default project type? Should video or audio? For me, it's video, and the default transcription language is English. I don't want to launch the quick recorder at login, and click continue. And then it's asked you to open their tutorial, maybe later is an alternative. So this is the first thing we see when we are inside. On top here, we have the D with several functions under that we will come back to. We have synced and backed up. And then we have our account here. We can set the theme to be light dark or like the system. We have some settings here. Personal information, how you will be notified. Subscription, I am in the free one here. Here it's only me that's a member. I can add members. Transcription activity and inbox. To the left here, we have recent project, which is the page we are on now. It's empty since we haven't created anything. We have quick recordings. Nothing is shared with me and nothing is downloaded to my computer. We have voices, and this is where you can create your own AI version where you can clone your voice. And for the free version, up to 1,000 words will be stored. We have templates. To be able to create your own templates, you must be on a paid version. We have our private workspace where our recordings will show up. And then we have our drives, disk space. In my next video, I will show you how you can upload your first video and really start editing using this tool. And if that is something that interests you, I suggest you hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified. Bye.